Hello and welcome to France Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on the Git series, and in the last session, we have learned how to pull changes from Git repository, Git remote repository. In this session, we will learn how to track changes of the Git repository locally. There are a few commands such as git status, git diff, git show, git logs, and git blade. Let me show you one by one. To know the latest changes, the entire status of the local repository, the command would be git status. If there are any changes locally or on the remote side, everything will be tracked using git status. The second thing, if you have made a few changes in your local repository, for example, this is my code. I have made one change, that is, I have removed the snapshot from this version and saved it. So now, let me show you the status first. As you can see, there is one change in the form.xml which is not yet staged. Now, if I want to know what is the change in that file, now I know which file got changed, but I want to know what is the change I have made in that file. Just type git diff. It will give us two things. First one is A, second one is B. So this is removed, this is added. So what is removed? This one, which is in red color. I have removed this line of code and added this line of code, which is in green. So basically, I have removed the snapshot from the version. After I commit and push it, for example, git add. To state this change, I have to add it as we learned in the previous sessions. Let me do git status again. As you can see, now I have staged this commit. Now it is in green color as it is staged. I will commit it. Version changed. Now, if I run the same git diff, let us see if it shows this difference or not. As you can see, it is not showing up because there is no difference. The difference will be shown before the commit and staging. Now, let me, if I want to see what is the change in the previous commit, the command would be git show. With git show, I can see the name of the commit and the message of the commit and what and all files got changed and in the file what is removed and what is added. So this is how we can get the differences after we commit. So we have covered now git status, git diff, and git show. Now there are two more commands left, which is logs and blame. Let me first clear the screen. For example, I have made 2, 3 commits in a row, and I want to see what and all commits I have made. I just run git log. Git log command will give me all the log, all the history of the commits along with the author and the date. See, and also there is a commit ID here and the author name and the email ID of the author, then date, timestamp, and then the commit message. Similarly, the previous. So until the end. The first commit was initialized from Spring Project template. To quit this, just type Q, it will come out of that command. So this way we can know what and all the commits we have made. Now one last thing is left, which is git blame. For example, I have made a change in form.xml. To know who and all made the changes to form.xml, just type git blame form.xml. It will give all the history, like what and all changes and who made the change. So as you can see, the other name is also getting displayed here. GitLab is the remote repository and Hanstech Lab is the local repository's author name. So these are all the changes. Every line who made the change, it will show. For example, here if you can see version, I have made the change. So it is showing my name. Also var, I have made the change. So it is showing my name. And also Spring version, I have made some change here, 3.5.0. It is showing my name. So this way we can know the history of the each and every file and who made the changes. Hope you like this session. Please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.